spent a lot of time looking for a beautiful and functional coat rack for my entryway, and I ended up going with the Adesso Toby Coat Rack in walnut. Here is why. First things first, I can't get over the quality. I know this is a veneer, but I wouldn't guess. It looks fantastic. Next, it is exceptionally sturdy. I can't actually shake it over, and I can put coats on it however I want. I currently just have them slid down it, but if I wanted to, I can handle that just fine as well. And I could load it up with as many coats as I want. When I got it, it came with these 4 pieces separate from this middle section. This middle section had holes for these to push into, and it came with wood glue. So basically you just stuck wood glue in here and pushed each of these on, and then in the end it had you use these pre-drilled holes to put screws in the top and the bottom side to make it completely sturdy. It also came with bottom pieces for the feet so they don't scratch the floors. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this coat rack. I think it looks beautiful in my space, and I know it will last for years to come.